Your kids have a lot of stuff, it's all in boxes, and those boxes take up space. Let me show you how I organized my kids' toys and puzzles with these mesh bags. I use these bags mostly for my kids' puzzles. You get 2 pockets. So there's a front pocket, it's a little smaller, they're all zippered. And then the large pocket, you can put larger pieces in here. What I like to do is put the image from the puzzle box. Before I recycle it, I just rip off that image and I put it right here in the front. So it makes it easier for my kids to see the puzzle they are trying to find. The boxes that these puzzles come in take up so much space. Like the box was probably this big, and I was able to put it all into something that's this thin. And because I used these mesh bags instead of the boxes, I was able to make so much more space in my cabinets. They come in so many different colors, very colorful. Because it's mesh, it's see-through. You can see, your kids can see what they're trying to find. And because it's mesh, it doesn't create those air pockets, them in our cabinets with the handles, sticking out, so that when they're in the cabinet, I could just grab and go. These mesh bags make organizing my kids' stuff so much easier. They saved me so much space, and I hope they do the same for you.